Present today what's called the Z Lightning Lift. It's a different hybrid procedure using a bunch of different technologies to achieve the same thing as a traditional face and neck lift can achieve. So it's a unique combination of minimally invasive techniques and technologies to tighten loose skin of the face and neck and elevate saggy facial tissue with minimal downtime. And it's performed solely with local anesthesia in our office. And so this is the lightning lift. What lightning is, so this will make sense in a second because this is the machine that helps us do it. It's called Renuvion. It's cool helium plasma. So plasma is not the plasma from our blood, but it's the fourth state of matter. It's ionized energy through a gas. That's what lightning is. It's a plasma. And so with this new technology, we can really heat the skin and cause there to be a lot of tightening without having to have multiple procedures and measuring the temperature of the skin. It can deliver much more energy than any radio frequency device, any laser, or any ultrasound can deliver to tighten skin. So we'll see here why the purple lightning was used. So this is the machine. It looks like a Harry Potter's wand. Okay, so this machine can be used to not only resurface the face, but it can be used underneath the skin to tighten loose skin almost anywhere in the body. Loose skin in the neck, loose skin in the arms, loose skin in the abdomen, to tighten all these areas. So here's another little demonstration of what this does. So what I have done is I've combined a lot of different minimally invasive techniques using the Renuvion, as well as other things that we can do in the office to give basically the result of a facelift in a 2-hour operation. This is before and after somebody. So the downtime, this is days after, where this guy's skin is super tight, and then months after.
How long does that last?
5 years. No skin excision. We don't have to make those big cuts to pull back. No skin excision. You can do this all in the office. No skin excision. Now we're combining other techniques. This is my own patient. I did not do anything else other than the lightning lift on her, and this is 14 days later.
And how old is she?
She is 65.
It just is the lower part of the face. Not the
Lower third. So you can see the jowls elevated. This is what I've also done other techniques besides the Renuvion. So we're combining a lot of these minimally invasive techniques into one procedure to give these results. This is my latest patient. This is 1 day after. So there's almost no bruising, and then the creases are all basically gone. You can see the tightening of the skin immediately. You can see it on the table. People will say that they feel tight as it's happening. You do have some mild swelling. You'll have to wear a compression device. It's about a week downtime. But other than that, it's really revolutionary, and we're really excited to have the technology here and able to do it in the office with zero downtime and almost immediate results. The results also get better with time. It takes about 3 months to get that real tight skin, but initially you can see sort of what to be expected.
And then how long will that last?
It should last 5 years, at least, in just one treatment. So a lot of the other radiofrequency treatments where we're using needles to percutaneously enter the skin, you need series of them, 3 or 4. This one is one time only. So we're really excited to introduce that. I think it's going to really be fantastic for people who don't really want to take the time out to have a full facelift. It'll give great results, and we're really excited to have that here.